So here's the daily recap for March 15th, 2025. We went 1-0 for today. So the first thing that we wanted to see how price would react to this 1 hour supply area. So we had this area marked, and then we also know that we have a 1 hour demand area marked here. So we're looking for buying here. We're looking for selling up here. So basically I took a short position, and what we're going to zoom into the 5-minute chart. First, I was going to use the 1 hour chart, but then it looked like price was going kind of slow today. So I only used the 5-minute chart. So this line was not here. So basically what happened was, as soon as price came here, this is our first reaction. I could have shorted right here. This is actually a nice trade as well. As soon as we see this reaction comes back to retest, very strong rejection, bearish pin bar candle. The low was broken by this long solid bar candle. Stop loss would be above that zone, and this would have given pretty much a 2-to-1 right there. But I didn't take that trade. I waited for price to come near this zone. So now we have something else that we can deal with. We have a 5-minute supply area. So now this is a 5-minute supply. So now we can also see how price will react to this area at a low and give us like some type of lower high. So price gave us a lower high right here. Another bearish pin bar candle. I should have actually shorted right here, but I ended up shorting right here. Stop loss was above this 5-minute supply area. And then we basically just called it 1-to-1, and then we were done for the day. But as you can see, my first target was really here, this 5-minute demand, but I didn't want to risk price doing exactly what it did and almost hitting my stop loss. But as you can see, now look at what price is doing, and this is real time. This is the real market. But price now is flying down to where I originally thought it was going to go down to, which is right here, which would have given me about almost like a 3-to-1. But it is what it is. We're out with our 1 win, and that's all we need, because again, the one thing about the market is there is no guarantee. So when you see profit, you always want to take profit. Every time I see a 1-to-1, which is what I caught, I take my profits out, and then I move my 25% runner to break even. So as soon as I took that profit out, price stopped out my runner right here, but it was still a risk-free trade. But as you can see, look at what would have happened if I were to hold that whole position. And again, this is the live market, so it's happening right now. So it's all good. It is what it is. Again, you can't be sad about you can't beat yourself up for being like, oh dang, I should have held because look what could have happened, because now that's hindsight bias. There's no guarantee that this could have happened. This could have went flying against me and hit my stop loss, and this move might not have even happened, and I could have taken a loss instead of a win. So we're just happy that we got the win, and that's all that matters. Let me know if you have any questions, and let me know if this helped you out in any way. Let's get this money, y'all. Let's go.